What's up, guys? We're gonna be working on the old heavy Chevy today. As you may already know, if you watched the previous video that I made, and I'm sorry I haven't been updating you guys with it. The rear end went out, so I took it apart. I used POR15 on the frame, after I scraped it up and removed all the rust and stuff. But today, I'm gonna show you the rear end and the after finished product on that section off the frame, and pretty much the bed and axle and all that junk back there. But I'm having some issues with the lowering kit. So the truck is lowered 5 inches in the front, 7 in the rear. Now the axle was hitting up against the C-notch and the bump stop, and pretty much any time I went over a bump, small bump, big bump, small pothole on the road, small divot on the road, it would just pretty much bottom out. So I'm going to show you the finished product of this POR15. So you can see I didn't worry too much about the leaf springs, because those are going to move around, everything's going to get messed up, and those are pretty much easy to replace if need be. But yeah, here's the frame, the axle. Got me a nice fancy cover for the rear end, and you can see the bottom side of the bed looks really nice too. Now back to the lowering kit issue. So if you take a close look up here by the bump stop, you see my fingers. I can barely put 2 of them in there. But that's not good, because when you're going on the road, that's pretty much gonna hit right there. You can see all the wear marks actually on the bump stop. So axle comes up, smashes up against the bump stop, and yeah, that's what I'm seeing over there. Now, on the other side, I've already worked on. So, I'm going to show you. It's hard to see with that. Here we go. So, I was able to get a lifting shackle. I believe that's what they're called. So, you get a set of shackles, swap them out, and it's supposed to change the mounting location of the leaf spring, and therefore lift the truck a little bit. So if you can come over here, you can see I got a lot more than 2 fingers. That's probably 3 fingers actually. Yeah, about 3 fingers. So let's get out of here, and I will show you what they look like. And if you got a better idea on how to stop this bottoming out issue, please let me know, because it's not fun driving like that. But then again, that's load truck problems. So here we are. Yeah, I forgot what I was doing here. Okay, so I wanted to show you the difference. That's the original shackle, by the way. This is the lifting shackle that they say. So we're going to take measuring tape. You're going to see it's about center. So measure from one hole to the other. So that's about 2 inches, right? Yeah, roughly. So 2 inches that this new guy is supposed to give us, right? So I would say it's pretty accurate. That's what the site told me that would happen. So at about 2 inches of lift. Now we're gonna measure. If I can get this thing with one hand, I'm gonna measure from the ground up to the wheel well. Okay, so we're gonna go to the side that hasn't been worked on, and you can see that's what we got right here. So you come down to the floor, go back up. That's roughly 26 and a quarter. All right. Now, I'm not sure if this numbers are gonna change once both sides are even, essentially, because the right side's sitting a little lower than the left right now. So go back to the ground, up to the bed. So you can see that's 27 and a quarter-ish, almost 27 and a half. Yeah, okay. So it is definitely an improvement, but I'm not gonna know until I take it out on the road and see if it actually makes a difference. But if you have a better way to do this, please let me know, because it is not fun driving and bottoming out. So yeah, let me know what you think. If I'm doing it wrong, please let me know, because I would like to drive this bad boy soon and give a full walk around, clean out the garage too. So hey, thanks for watching.